blister in your mouth.
Help! I'm stuck.
Stuck again. This is America. How do you do this?
Help!
Would you fart yourself right down into a hole?
Help! My legs hurt.
Well, I don't know how to get you out.
I cut myself.
See, I told you to be careful.
I need a band-aid. Get me out!
I'm trying.
No, don't pull. It hurts. My leg is under the bed.
Let's
I
put
need
your
to
leg,
move it.
leg there. Okay.
Oh, now I'm really stuck. I'm not listening to you.
Okay.
Move the bed.
Get your
You're
leg out.
lifting it out. Now
Get your leg out.
I can't. It's stuck between the bottom part.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm stuck between the bottom part, not the top. See,
I need help.
You got him.
You got him by the head.
You got him.
Okay, let me
Ow, this hurts.
let me view the
Oh,
situation.
I got it.
Okay.
No, get me out.
Well, you said you got it.
Well, I never have it. No, it's starting to go back under. Ow, my hip. Get pulled. Pull up.
Don't pull. Typical teenager. Can't do anything right. Yep. Watch out. See, I told you to be careful.
Oh, be close.